Hi guys, thanks for joining us for another unbox. On today's video we've got the Awaretech Z16. This is our new one, this is the Z16. Let's go ahead and open the box and I'll show you a little bit about it. So these guys are a standalone unit, a lot like the black boxes we've had previously, but these are a big step up as far as quality and lenses and all the rest of it. So quite a wide angle lens on this guy, 160 degree field of view. Can record for 10 hours continuously, and you can also set up a bunch of different settings on the computer for heat detection and all that sort of stuff as well. So a lot of customizing you can do with it. In the box we have our USB cable, our lovely instructions. We also have our supplied USB charger for the camera. And we also have our little Z16 itself. So this is the little guy here. You've got three little switches on the side of it. Motion detection, heat, movement, and then custom settings. Micro SD card slot, power on off button, and then you've got a tiltable little lens on it as well, so you can tilt that in different directions. Good for keeping it on the garage or home office or something like that. What I'll do now, guys, is I'll get you to jump over this side of the table. We'll show you where the micro SD card goes, we'll do some test footage, and then we'll jump over to the PC and I'll show you the Zeta software and the amount of customization that you have for this little guy. So these are the three little switches I was talking about. So the little eye there is a heat sensor. The second one is the movement sensor, and the third one is a custom setting. So if you want to use the Zeta software, which you can download from the website, you put your memory card in, turn it to custom setting, plug your cable in from the other side of the unit to your PC, turn it on, fire up the software, and then you can customize a bunch of stuff, and I'll show you that shortly. Make sure you've got your micro SD card, so we would suggest using a 32 gig or above. I believe this unit can take up to 64, so you can go either 32s or 64s. Pretty handy, give you heaps of recording time, and you'll need to recharge the battery before you even get close to filling this guy up. So all you do to install it is flip it over so the words are facing towards the little sticker on the bottom of the unit. Push your memory card until it clicks into position, just like that. Go ahead and set it on either heat or movement, so we're going to set it on movement for now. Hold down the little button for 2 seconds till the light comes on, and then it should flash. And now it's recording. So it's that easy to get these guys set up. We will be doing some test footage with it, so you guys can get an idea of how good these little guys are and how much area they can cover because of the wide angle lens they have on them. But please stay with us, I'll show you the PC software and we'll get into the customization, everything you can do with it. Alright guys, so here we are with our little Zeta widget. This is the little app used to control the Z16 and the Z32. Do make sure you've got your micro SD card in the unit and that it's plugged into the computer before you go and open the app. Upon opening it, you'll see date and time, and you can adjust that if you want it to. If you go to settings, we've got a bunch of different options you've got. So you could put the unit in a car and it would trigger through the lighter socket on a bunch of different options. You've also got body heat trigger, motion or voice activated trigger, ultra long recording, which I'm assuming is going to drop the resolution, and then if you're handy with wiring, there's a couple of sensors that you can hook up to it if you want to. You can also schedule it for a specific time, so if we go there and we go edit, you can choose there what you want to have on, and you can assign it a specific task as far as a trigger and all the rest of it. So pretty handy little option to have. I'm just going to set it back to body heat trigger for now. Set it in custom mode, and there's nothing in there, so we'll save that. Then if I open up the drive, you've got all those settings that you've saved in there.